Or a submersible that disappeared in a remote part of the North Atlantic may be left with its final day of oxygen supply. This as rescuers race to trace the origin of banging noises detected in the area. But experts say the chances of locating the vessel remain slim due to poor conditions and a lack of proper communication systems.
But we knew this was going to happen at some point along the way, and knew darn well it would. And we knew all the difficulties there would be about how do you recover from that. If the sub is stuck on a shipwreck, if they lose batteries, if they're caught on the bottom some other way. And nothing was done about it.
The mini-sub lost communication with tour operators on Sunday during a voyage to the Titanic shipwreck. It's designed to remain underwater for 96 hours. That means those inside should have enough oxygen until Thursday. Passengers on board include British billionaire Hamish Harding and the founder of tour firm OceanGate Stockton Rush. Pakistani businessman Shahzada Dawood and his son Sulaiman Dawood were also on board. The search area is spread over about 26,000 square kilometers. The U.S. Coast Guard says it is working with other agencies and searches under a unified command and is getting help from the Navy and the Air Force. Rescue teams from Canada and France are also involved.